So you're back for question 7. Good on you. Let's go. Let's do this. Cool. So question 7, not this one, that one. So question 7 is about cron, and they want us to use user Harry to create a EX200 message at half-past midday or something along these lines. So it's something similar to this. Okay. And the second part is Natasha cannot use Crontab. Okay. Sure. Let's do this. So let's get some Harry access. Perfect. I am Harry now. Now just do Crontab -E. And let's add the 30 minutes, midday, star, oops, and star, /bin, /echo, hello. That's all we need here to Harry. Fine. So let's review the question. It seems too easy to be true, right? I understand you. So you just go to Harry, and they just I did hello, but I said here EX200. I mean, I can fix the master file, and that's the EX200. That's fine. If you want to be picky, you can just make things accordingly. EX200, and we're done. You didn't see that, but I just edited my Crontab so it has EX200 and not hello, just to make things cleaner. It will matter nothing. It just matches my file. That's that. Next, you want to deny Natasha the use of Crontab. Fine. So just go back to root. Go to the cron.deny file. You add Natasha, and we are done. See? So Harry has scheduled a task for half-past midday with some message. They may ask you something different from the echo, but it should be something similar to the echo, so no big of a deal. Second part, you just deny Natasha the Crontab, so just go to the cron deny, add Natasha's name, and she's denied. Pretty simple, this one. Some points to you. Like, subscribe, and comment. It will help. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.